Good morning, everybody. This is Storm Coleman, and I'm in my bus, Wilhelmina, and this is day 4 of me sleeping out of the bus and inside the bus. It's becoming a great experience to get myself grounded and to know what to do for survival. Okay. Just wanted to show you a couple of things that I've added to the bus just for the meantime. Okay, as you see, I am still tearing back the roof. Okay, and just so you know, I added a water jug right here. So there's a couple of things that I added. I got this free. This is a GM Frigidaire refrigerator that I got for free. I brung this in last night. This refrigerator has got to be at least 50 to 60 years old. I also added the bed area just to have some form of existence. As you see, I'm always cosplaying. I'm working on my costumes and stuff to keep me busy. Picked up a Star Wars friend over here. And as you see, my clothes are hanging up in the back. This is the start of a journey. Things are starting to come together. School is about to start. Everything is about to get back on track. Life is about to changes and understanding the things that you no longer need, that has a stranglehold over your health and your strength. Yes, I look a little flourished right now because I didn't get a chance to shave yet, clean up my face. But God is good all the time. Yeah, God is good all the time. So yes, I appreciate y'all. Wilhelmina, appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for the next one.